Dear students, now we are in our instrument lab. Here we are going to take readings of different dilution of extracts. We have UV spectrophotometer of Systronic make. Its model number is 118. Okay. First, we have to switch on the instrument. For that, we have to power on the plug, and here back side also given a switch. So switch on this instrument. Here you can see to display, okay, to display this will show the absorbance or transmittance, and this display show the applied wavelength. Here you are seeing the overall panel. Here different knob you are seeing. The first one above is transmittance knob. We push it for measuring transmittance. Second one is for absorbance. Third one is for taking concentration. Here you can see the set 0 knob. It is initially used to adjust the display reading to 0. Second one is knob is for cores that will fluctuate the display reading a big amount, a larger amount, and this one fine knob, it will just adjust the display reading to a small unit. And this one is UV knob. It is pushed to select UV region, and lower knob that is visible for selecting visible range. To apply a particular wavelength, you have to enter the wavelength manually. In our experiment we are going to take reading at 260 wavelength, that is lie in UV region. Therefore, we have to select UV at two places. Here also a knob that is used to selecting UV region or visible region. As we are going to work on ultraviolet region, therefore first we have to put this knob on UV side, and here also we have to push this UV switch. Okay. The green LED will glow. Now your panel is ready to for taking reading. First of all, you have to set 0. You are seeing that the display showing one reading, that is due to voltage fluctuation. So we have to set it 0. After setting it 0, okay, you have to push transparent okay, and thereafter first we have to enter the wavelength. We are working on 260 wavelength. So first push the clear button. Okay, you are seeing blank display. Now we are entering the wavelength 2600, and thereafter push the enter button. It will take the wavelength. We have taken 260 wavelength, that is lie into UV region. In transmittance, for when we place a opaque filter against light source, then definitely transmittance should be 0. So first of all we select dark filter. Dark filter will absorb all the light from source. So the transmittance for this filter should be 0. If it is not 0, then you have to manually make it 0. Okay. Okay, our display showing 0, that means instrument is ready for working. To work in UV region, we have to use quartz cell. Quartz has a property that it does not absorb light in UV region. You are seeing this cuvette. It has one side opaque and other side is transparent. So we have to hold this cuvette in this way that our finger touch its opaque side, and we have not touched the transparent side of this cuvette. Now first we take one of the cuvette and fill it with dichloromethane. We are taking dichloromethane as a blank for measurement purpose. Fill it around 90%, so no liquid spill take place. While holding the cuvette, make sure that your finger touch opaque side and clear side. Your finger doesn't touch transparent side. Okay. Before placing it into sample holder, clear its transparent surface one time with tissue paper and place this blank solution into first position into sample holder and put cap on it, as the solvent is very volatile. Okay. Here you can see other cell for putting sample. Here also you can see different filter. As you know, I am rotating the wheel. You can see different filter, that is filter number 1, filter number 2, filter number 3, filter number 4, filter number 5 and filter number 6. By selecting a proper filter, we can adopt or select particular wavelength. The wavelength that can be selected for we are using 260 nanometer length wavelength. Therefore, we have to select a proper filter. As you can see from here, for 260 wavelength, we have to select filter number 2. The range of second filter is 200 to 340, and 260 wavelength lies in this range. So therefore, we have to select filter number 2. By rotating, we select filter number 2. This combination will apply wavelength equal to 260 nanometer. We have placed the blank solution into first cell. Now close the cover of sample cell and you have set the reading manually 0 for absorbance. For that, first push the transmittance switch to bring it original position, and then push absorbance button to select absorbance. The absorbance of the blank solution should be 0. Therefore, you can see here minute difference from 0 reading. So we just simply use fine knob to set 0. Okay. Yes, by using fine knob, we have set the reading 0 for blank solution. Now we are taking absorbance for first dilution of caffeine standard, that is 25 ppm. take into cuvette. Okay. You ask the reading for blank solution is 0. Okay. Now we are putting the extract for 25 ppm solution into second cell of sample holder. While putting this into cell, ensure that transparent side remain in front of source.